My name is Tommy Robinson. I am a son, a husband, and a father who's witnessed the betrayal of our country. We're a proud nation, a nation of patriotic people willing to fight for our God-given rights. Rights that have been slowly chipped away by a globalist political class. Globalists who despise and disrespect the will of sovereign nation states. We've experienced our political, judicial and media establishments lie and betray us time and time again. When people rise up and fight this censorious globalist mafia, it will stop at nothing to shut you down, silence you, create financial difficulties for you. Hell, it will even imprison you if it can. For decades, the ruling chattering classes knew about the industrialised rape and molestation of our daughters by Muslim gangs. I spoke up about it. Then I was punished for speaking up about it. I was silenced, deplatformed and defamed. I am Tommy Robinson, an enemy of the state. And I'm going to be talking a lot about another form of child abuse. This cannot be left unchallenged. The time to stand up and be counted is now. Join us.